So Carsten here from Open Road Overland. Finally we got our eyes on the MagPak, and you can see here on the Gladiator it's a brand new product, and I know a lot of you guys have asked for more info about it. And as you can see, now we're going to give you a full tour. And if Alex gonna open up, you know, one of the side windows and side doors, really good hatches to open up, and you can see the fully integrated LED, really great buckles that close really fantastic, keep the dust out, great seal all the way around, and a cabinet here with a lot of storage opportunities and potential. You can set it up as you like and build it like as you want. With a MOLLE panel, we left in a couple of sleeping bags, and if you go look through in here, you can see the tempered glass here in the back. And if we start opening it up, there we go, that's the rear of it with the integrated brake line. Thanks, Alex. Dropping it down, and let's see inside. And this is actually, before I jump inside, you can see it's fitted with a 270 awning straight to the T-slots on the side. I don't know whether you can see it here in there with standard awning brackets. So let me jump in. So this is how it looks. More LED lighting here. You have LED also on that gullwing door. And if I climb in, you can see you have all your electronics fitted here right on the driver's side of the vehicle. And of course the second gullwing and the bed section. And let me try and show you now. We're inside, and I'm gonna turn around to the rear and look out where I just came in. And if you look up, you can see there's a 20/80 split. So this is part of the bed that falls down, and you open up and you have your rain fly, which is now you open the door, you have your rain fly out here open. Really nice 320 gram 600 denier fabric. So what you want to do with the bed is you simply open up that hatch, and then you close it down here, open up this security strap. Exactly. Hold on, I only have one hand. And then you pull it down like that. So, and it falls down like that, and you have your bed. And you simply undo these paracords that keeps the fabric in, that makes it much easier when you close the tent. And as you can see, more LED in the roof, insulated roof as well, storage pockets on the side. And if you jump up, which is difficult for me to do while I'm filming, you simply close down this hatch and you have your sleeping compartment. It's fantastic. And you even have you know, your switch for turning all the LEDs. You have the standard circuit lighter plug and USB connectors here as well. So it's already linked and cabled and wired. So, and when you want to take the bed up, right, you just limp off the panel, and the safety lock snaps in automatically like that, and there you go. And you have a lot of storage space here underneath as well. So that's the MagPak from the inside. And if I just quickly want to show you this cabinet you have here, we have, so you can see some storage boxes in here. We're filming this out of Expo Overland in Flagstaff, and so it's the first opportunity to see this. And as you can see, there's a lot of storage potential and opportunities here. All right, so here we go. That's the MagPak.